Chris Menard here with 5 great Excel tips every Excel user should know. This is going to go fairly quickly. Let's dive in right now. The very first worksheet, I'm going to use the unique feature. I have a list of employees in column A and the courses they took over in column B. I want to know how many unique employees took courses. I'm going to use the unique function. I'm going to highlight the employees, and the answer is right here. Very similar to this. I get asked this a lot. I want to know the actual number. So up in the formula bar, I'm going to add to it the COUNTA function. Perfect. And the answer is in cell D2, 9 employees. We did COUNTA along with unique. Moving over to worksheet number 3 at the bottom, people are always adding numbers. AutoSum is the most popular function in Excel. I've got 2 different regions. I could have more. I'm going to select cell B6 to cell E10. Notice I stopped where it's blank. I'm holding down the control key, and I'm selecting the other region, which is B12 to cell E16. Alt equal on the keyboard is AutoSum. Perfect. It picked up this totals right here. And then watch how nice this is. No control now. I'm selecting cell B6 to F18, Alt equal. Perfect. I click over in cell F6, and that summed up B6 through E6. I knew that one would be correct, but what is really nice is in cell B18, it is summing up B16 and B10, so it's only picking up the subtotals, which is really nice. Fast way to AutoSum. Keep going. Worksheet number 4. One of my absolute favorite tips in Excel. I've got this data, and I happen to notice that in column D, we have the state. Over in column H is the city. I'm looking at it, and the city probably should be next to the state. I'm going to select column H. I'm holding down the Shift key, and my mouse pointer is on the left border of column H. I'm going to drag. You can see the green marker. I'm right in between column C and D. Let go of the mouse. Let go of the Shift key. Great way to move columns. And by the way, if you want to move rows, you can. I'm going to select row 6, customer 3244. Hold down the Shift key. If I wanted to move it up, I'll put my mouse on the top border. I'm going to put it on the bottom border. It doesn't matter. Actually, you know what? It actually doesn't matter. You can move up or down wherever you put it on the border at. I'm going to drop it right in between 3 and 4. Let go of the Shift key. There you go there. Last exercise over on the 5th worksheet. What I'm about to do is not included, but I'm going to quickly do RANDBETWEEN. I want numbers in here between 10 and 50. Control Enter puts in those numbers. The issue is this. If you look at these numbers, if I came in here and I start sorting or filtering, because that's an Excel function, these numbers will keep changing because it's based on the RANDBETWEEN function. I need these numbers to not change, so I need to copy and paste values. Anytime you have to copy and paste values, here's a great trick. Put your mouse on the border, right-click, drag over one time and drag back. And when you let go, copy here as values only. I use this tip all the time also. Now, RANDBETWEEN is gone, and these are just purely numbers. Thank you for your time. My online training classes are available, listed down below. Have a wonderful week.